Oliver, Spanish banking is a better business than it once was, but it is still no picnic. So it makes sense, at least on first blush, that Banco Sabadell wants to put capital to work away from home in the UK by buying TSB less than a year after its parent Lloyds IPO'd it. Does this make good sense to you?
No, not really. Look at this from the perspective of a Sabadell shareholder. Now, at the moment, they hold shares in Sabadell, which wants to buy TSB, but Sabadell is offering a big premium to the previous share price for TSB, and TSB shares are up 25% today. So, from a Sabadell shareholder, I'm thinking, well, I could have bought TSB shares in the market much cheaper yesterday. Now I'm buying it far more expensively through Sabadell.
But surely that's true in any deal between two publicly traded companies.
It is indeed, and the way the companies get around this is saying, but look at all these wonderful cost savings we can offer. And this is where I think the logic kind of falls down in the Sabadell TSB case. It's very early days in terms of the talk, so there's no synergies or cost savings outlined yet, but clearly.
But where would they be, right?
Well, Sabadell has no business in the UK. Sabadell is a small business lender in Spain. TSB is a retail lender in the UK. There's not much crossover. Now, there might be scope for TSB to use Sabadell's IT systems and hence may save a bit of money there.
But that sounds like a bit of a stretch.
Yeah, there's a lot of premium that Sabadell's offering for just some IT savings. I can't really see where the crossover is, where the synergies are, and so where that premium starts to make sense for Sabadell shareholders.
So tell me a little bit more about the bank that's making this apparently irrational decision.
So Sabadell is a big bank in Spain. The top two are Santander and BBVA. Sabadell's slightly smaller than those. Its shares have done very well, partly, I think, because it's a pure play on the Spanish recovery, or at least it has been until now. Santander and BBVA, much more internationally diversified. That said, Sabadell does have a track record of making acquisitions. It's done 4 in the past couple of years, 3 of which have been in Spain, 1 of which was in the United States. So it is acquisitive, and perhaps it knows how to do acquisitions and how to make these things work. But it's a fairly big chunk that it's biting off with TSB.
And finally and quickly, what should TSB shareholders do? Take
the money. Absolutely take the money. This is a big premium on offer. TSB is forecast to make a 10% return on equity at some point down the line. TSB shareholders are being offered book value for it now. I'd absolutely take that.
Thanks, Oliver.